Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 11th video, we will focus on to fix the police in South Africa. Fixing the police in South Africa is a complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach. Here are some potential steps that can be taken to improve the police in South Africa. 1. Improve recruitment and training. Ensure that police officers are properly trained and equipped to carry out their duties effectively. This could include improving recruitment standards, increasing the length and quality of police training, and providing ongoing professional development opportunities. 2. Address corruption and misconduct. Corruption and misconduct within the police force undermine public trust in the police and make it difficult for officers to carry out their duties effectively. Efforts to address these issues should include better internal controls and accountability measures, regular disciplinary hearings and investigations, and improved whistleblower protections. 3. Increase community policing efforts. Community policing is an approach that emphasizes collaboration between the police and local communities to address crime and social disorder. This approach can help to build trust between the police and local communities, improve communication and information sharing, and promote greater public safety. 4. Provide better resources. The police require adequate resources to carry out their duties effectively, including equipment, facilities, and personnel. Investing in these areas can help to improve police effectiveness and promote greater public safety. 5. Promote transparency and accountability. The police should be transparent in their operations and accountable to the public. This could include regular public reporting on crime statistics, measures to increase public access to information, and greater civilian oversight of police activities. 6. Address underlying social and economic issues. Many of the social and economic issues facing South Africa, such as poverty, inequality, and unemployment, contribute to high levels of crime and violence. Addressing these issues through targeted social and economic policies can help to reduce crime rates and promote public safety. These are just a few examples of potential steps that can be taken to improve the police in South Africa. However, addressing this issue will require a sustained effort and commitment from all stakeholders, including government officials, law enforcement agencies, civil society organizations, and the public. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.